Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to today's writing lesson. This week, I was so excited to read some of your writings, and I'm looking forward to seeing more of them as they become more complete. Today, we're going to be adding to our fictional narrative, and let's take a look at the slides I put together for us. So we're going to start off by reviewing our brainstorming sheet. This is what good writers do. It helps them stick to their plan and stay on track. It also is a good spot if you notice that your story, you want to add a piece to it, but you're not sure how it's going to work. You would work on your brainstorming sheet rather than your actual writing. This is also where you get to use your imagination. Remember, you're the author, you're in charge of the story. We're going to be answering those W questions: who, what, where, when, why. So we've already answered, who, what, and where. Today we're going to add in the problem and the solution. I know those don't directly go with a W question, but all good fiction stories have a problem and a solution. Let's take a look at our planners. So if you're going along with me and we're writing about Spot, and Spot is getting ready for his birthday at his house, we left off here that first he sent out invitations to his party. Well, in the middle, here's where his problem is. He keeps checking the mailbox, remember? And does Spot see any RSVPs in the mail? No, and he's starting to get worried that no one's going to come to his party. And he really is hoping to have a fun birthday party. And remember, we said the solution was on the day of his party, all his friends showed up and he had a lot of fun. So we are going to be writing these two parts today. And if we need to, we can stretch it out into today and tomorrow. But I do want to get my problem there, and I do want to offer the solution. So I'm going to take out my writing, and I'm just going to reread it. It says, Spot is getting ready for his birthday at his house. First, he sent out invitations to his party. Now, I don't know that I want to say next in my writing, but I do want to show my reader, the person who's reading my story, that he goes to the mailbox every day. Let's say Spot runs out to check the mail each day. Did I say that there's no invitations? No. And here's where you can have a little bit of fun with your story. You might make a character say something, and that's what really makes a fiction book come alive. In your books that you're reading, do you ever notice that the characters are speaking? Yeah, the characters speak just like you and I would talk. And when we make a character talk, we know that they're talking because we write the words said and the character's name. So here's how I'm going to do that. Spot runs out to check the mail each day. I'm going to have him say, no mail. And how is he going to say that? Spot said, sadly. He says it sadly. No mail, Spot said sadly. Now I have to offer my solution. So we added, Spot runs out to check the mail each day. No mail, Spot said sadly. Now we're going to say, on the day of the party, all of Spot's friends showed up. All of Spot's friends came. He was one happy dog, I bet. Let's reread. Oh, I might even be able to end with that. He was one happy dog. Let's read. Spot is getting ready for his birthday at his house. First, I can't see my writing. First, he sent out invitations to his party. Spot runs out to check the mail each day. No mail, Spot said sadly. On the day of the party, all of Spot's friends came. He was one happy dog. And if I'm all through with my writing, I can even add a picture. And I might be adding pictures to my writing all along. But I would draw the picture of Spot, and let's see. I'll have him be over here. And let's have him wear a party hat. And here's some presents. And I just drew a quick picture at the bottom. I'll show it to you. But I drew my best picture that I could draw of Spot and some presents. He even got a bone and a box. He is one happy dog. Tomorrow we'll come back, we'll reread our writing, make any edits that we need to, and then we'll do some free write. All right, off you go, boys and girls. Don't forget, be sure to be adding your problem and how the problem gets fixed. Now off you go.